and welcome to a new YouTube video here on our channel. And guys, what a crazy week. Actually, we killed it. I shared with you so much stuff over here on TradingView, guys. So a lot of trading setups. So this is I want to show you in this video. It was really crazy. We banked so many R in our signal group, and everything you could have followed on TradingView, guys, because also on gold, 400 pips movements, stuff like this, GBPJPY, actually every single move was predicted. And yeah guys, actually you can see this in our result, because if I'm showing you our signal group results, we made over 800 pips, and we only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades this week, so it was very chilly. And yeah, we banked over 24 R, which yeah is an account growth depending on your risk management between 50 and 75%, guys. So this is actually really crazy result. Also, we posted yesterday, yeah, this was our GBPJPY trade. We also have some crypto trades running and decent profits right now. And also, if you're looking at our last week was very similar, 602 pips and 24 R. So actually in 2 weeks we made about 50 R. So this is kind of crazy. So this is over 100% account growth. So between 100 and 150% account growth. And yeah, me and Stibo, we are also still following our personal risk management, and therefore we're also offering CopyFX, which is an automatic copy trading system. So all our trades are going to be copied automatically to your trading account. And yeah guys, we banked over 321%. You can check the whole result over here. We started with 1k and we are right now over 3k, and we're still floating right now 1k in profit due to our crypto trades, and also we are trading Dow Jones at this time. And yeah guys, this is actually what we're doing. So crazy week so far. We published a lot of free stuff in our Telegram channel. So I also received so many messages of especially from GBPJPY traders, because actually every move was right, and yeah, it was crazy. Yeah guys, I decided to make a new YouTube video where I'm going to show you my weekly outlook for the next week. So I'm going to cover up some pairs on my watch list, which yeah, I think quite interesting right now. And I'm going to start with the DXY, guys. And yeah, actually I already made this analysis yesterday, and as you can see, the DXY is still dropping. Okay, so from a monthly perspective, guys, I see DXY dropping from this monthly resistance slash monthly supply area, and I'm expecting the price is going to hit this support over here. Okay, so this is actually my final target. And then I also was mentioning a potential retracement, and as you can see, the weekly candle retraced right now 50% back, and this is why we got here this daily bullish candle over here. And from a 4-hour perspective, we could have seen that yeah, price actually came back into our supply zone, where we can expect a nice drop to the downside. Same scenario over here. Well, this is quite interesting, because as I already told you, is yeah, I'm using DXY as my correlation pair. So therefore this is for me an additional confirmation for all my dollar currency pairs over here. Okay, so for example, GBPUSD. And if the DXY is going to drop down, that means that GBPUSD or EURUSD is going to rise to the upside. Now let's have a look what we got on GBPUSD. Well, I already told you from a monthly perspective that this pair is a pair which loves structure. So it moves from zone to zone, so it moves from support to resistance. Therefore, my final target from a monthly perspective is that we're going to reach this resistance over here. Now, if we got a look on the weekly, we already hit our resistance. Okay, this is what I was marked on the daily, and also on the daily we got this bearish pinball over here. Well, what can we expect right now from GBPUSD? Well, me personally, I'm expecting that GBPUSD is going to retrace a little bit, but it doesn't need to. But me personally, I do not see GBPUSD dropping that much. So therefore is this zone for me very interesting, because we got an H4 demand area over here. But as well, we got from a daily perspective, we got over here an important daily demand, okay? So this is also a potential target for shorts on GBPUSD, but this is actually not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting only a small retracement. But of course, we could still go to the upside on GBPUSD. So both scenarios are possible. Therefore, we are going to monitorize price action into this area over here to see what kind of reaction we are going to get from the market on this area, because this is right now very interesting, because this will define the future. Because I already told you from a monthly perspective, we could even push higher till this resistance. So therefore we need to see now, are we going to make a nice retracement to the downside? And then are we going to push up, or are we going to go straight to the upside from this supply zone? Guys, we are going to see what will happen. Okay, right now let's have a look on gold. This is the next pair. Well, gold, guys, I already told you we are in this continuation pattern over here, and as you can see, we also went here to the downside, created this doji over here, this long neck doji, and right now I'm expecting the price is going to push up to break this this continuation pattern. You all know how this actually works. Well, price is pushing from the downside to the upside, then it is stuck in this triangle pattern, okay? And then you expect a breakout to the upside, because it came from the downside, therefore it should also break out to the upside. Very simple, it's not very complicated. Now let's have a look on EURUSD, guys. Well, EURUSD, I made a very detailed monthly chart analysis on TradingView, and I'm going to cover up for you as well on YouTube, because this is very interesting and you should definitely keep an eye on it. Well, we got some pretty nice levels over here. So the first one is this resistance over here. Then we got this monthly support resistance structure over here, which I already told you that this is actually my take profit for EURUSD long, because I told you that I'm expecting that price is going to push through this resistance, because we are pushing right now to the upside from this monthly demand slash monthly support area over here. So we are expecting the price is going to push over here. Well, something has changed if we look on the monthly structure, and the thing is that if we are going to draw this trend line over here, price actually broke out, guys. Okay, so the price broke out. So what does this mean? Actually, it means that price has now the possibility to form this W formation. Therefore, this price should go up till this resistance over here, okay? So this is actually the scenario that I'm looking at on EURUSD right now, so that we're going to push till this monthly resistance, then retest this neckline, and then we're going to move to the upside, because this is actually a downtrend structure that we got over here, okay? And right now, EURUSD broke out, okay? We're going to see if this break is a valid break and if it's not a false breakout, but I'm expecting the price is going to rise till this resistance. Sorry guys for the whole messages right now on Telegram. I'm going to close it right now. But yeah, I'm expecting that we're going to move till this resistance, retest the structure, and then move to the upside. So from a monthly chart, okay? But we are currently interested in the current situation that we got right now, and this is actually right now this area over here. So if we're going to get a retracement before we're going to continue to the upside, and this is actually what me personally am expecting, but we need to see if we got the final confirmation for that. Now from a weekly, kind of difficult to draw this weekly resistance over here because you have so many possibility. Therefore, me personally, I like also to switch to the line chart, but also on the line chart, I do not have any kind of great opportunities. No. Okay, from a daily, also this daily candle does not provide us with a lot of information right now, but we got only this structure here. Okay, so this is the only level that I can refer right now. But let me remove this whole resistance because we do not need it. Important for us is that we are going to see this structure level now. If we're switching now to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour I can spot this demand area over here. So now we got the possibility that first price is going to get into this area, then we're going to monitorize price action at this demand area, and then we can push more to the upside. Okay, and then I'm expecting actually the continuation of this hot trend. As you already noticed, EURUSD is very hot trending, so it didn't give us any possibilities for a nice entry. This is why me personally I did not take it on my trading account, because I was still waiting for some nice pullbacks to the downside before I'm going to take any entry, because I want to get big risk to rewards on my trade, as you can have seen on GBPJPY. Okay, this was big risk reward trade, and sometimes you only need one trade and the whole month is in decent profit. Okay, and this is what I was trying to catch also on EURUSD, but I was not able due to EURUSD did not make any kind of pullbacks, and therefore I did not get any entry on EURUSD. Of course, I could have entered over here or over here or over here, but this simply did not fit my trading plan, so this is why I did not take this trade. But yeah, everybody should define his own strategy which is profitable for him and it is working for him. Now let's get back to EURUSD. Well guys, actually I'm expecting a price is going to go into this demand area, and then I'm going to monitorize price action in order to get my entry confirmation for long. And if price is actually going more to the downside, so if we're going to manage to break this demand area, then I'm expecting this retracement that I was talking about in the last analysis. Because if we gotta look on a weekly chart, we can see that actually this was a nice impulsive move to the upside, followed by the retracement, which is wave number 2, now wave number 3, and it looks like wave number 3 is finished. Also this big wick over here on the weekly shows us the bears are still on the market, and we could see this possibility over here that we're going to make a retracement to the downside before we're going to continue with wave number 5, which can go up till this resistance over here, till this supply zone over here, which is my final target right now for my longs on EURUSD. Okay, so actually we got these two possibilities right now, and I'm going to check out daily if we got, on the daily we got this level over here, which will be definitely my target for shorts. I'm not seeing a big short on EURUSD, but I see this possibility. And if we are going to push to the downside, then I'm going to take here a nice long trade, and I'm going to follow the EURUSD trend to the upside. So this is what I see right now on EURUSD. But keep in mind to follow always the monthly and the weekly and the daily for the overall direction. And as I already told you, this daily over here, this is a support area. Okay, so this is the support structure of EURUSD, and we need to break this before we're going to see this opportunity. Now let's go to GBPJPY, guys. Okay, this was the best trade this week. This was very nice. As you can see, this was my I always like to add some stuff during my trading because I want to see if the trend is still there, and I also like to monitorize the structure. As you can see, it was still bullish over here all the time, and often you can also see, this is why I like to draw my trend lines, is if price is going to break in a bullish structure like this one in the bullish trend line, if price managed to break it this over here, then you can expect the price will make a nice push to the upside before it is going to fall down. Okay, and this is actually what happened, and therefore I was sure we're going to hit our take profit level, which was this daily resistance over here. But now let's switch to the monthly, because from a monthly perspective, guys, I'm expecting on GBPJPY that we're going to push at least till this, that we're going to push at least till this monthly resistance over here, because we also got there perfect in alignment the monthly supply area, and as you can see, we did not touch this supply zone. So I'm expecting that GBPJPY is going to push more to the upside, but I wanted to ensure my profits, and also this was a great trade and big risk reward, so I definitely wanted to close it. Okay, we can see some sign of rejection from a daily candle, so therefore we could expect next week the price is going to drop a little bit down before we're going to see this move to the upside. But yeah, this is something that I cannot tell you right now, but therefore I'm going to market this level because this is an interesting level, of course, and from a 4-hour perspective we can definitely determine this demand area over here. So this is also a potential returning point, so therefore these two levels are at the same spot. So definitely you should monitorize price action into this area before you're going to make any kind of trading decision. And in addition, also here we got a daily 4-hour demand area, but now we need to monitorize price action first in this area, because we got still the opportunity that the price is going to push higher from here, so that we're not going to respect the supply zone and price will simply go straight to the upside. Okay, still an opportunity. Then let's go to EURGBP. Well, guys, this was also still a nice trade. Me personally, I did not catch any entry because it did not went to the upside till my supply zone, but what it touched this resistance, as you can see, this resistance. But me personally, I do not like to make an entry on a resistance because this is for me less confirmation. Okay, because yeah, you need to understand, because if this is a resistance, okay, then you would have entered here short. Okay, this is actually only 30 pips, something like this. You wouldn't have closed it straight. Then it went up, then again down, and then it would smashed your stop loss. This is bullshit to entry at a resistance. This is for me less confirmation. My confirmation would have been if price would have managed to go up into the supply zone, because I know that the big players have their orders located at these order blocks, and therefore this would have been for me a nice confirmation for a nice short. But okay, price did not went to the upside, it went straight to the downside, no problem. Okay, what else should we cover? Yeah, actually guys, this was my USDCAD I'm going to do as well. Well, on USDCAD, guys, I'm expecting the price is going to push down from this resistance till this support. And if we get a look on the weekly, we can also notice this support area, which is an area which could easily push USDCAD more to the upside. But in addition, we got this impulsive move on USDCAD followed by this retracement, and now I'm expecting the next impulsive move to the downside. But from a daily perspective, guys, I'm expecting that this weekly support is going to manage to push USDCAD to the upside, so that it is able to push USDCAD till this resistance before we're going to see this drop to the downside. So this is what me personally am expecting right now, and as you can see, this is also in structure level / swap zone, and yeah, price already rejected here, and looks like it could manage to bring USDCAD to the upside, and then this nice drop. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This was my video for the upcoming week, so full breakdown analysis on several pairs. And if you would like to join our community, guys, if you want to participate in this copy trading to gain this much percentage on your trading account, then I just want you to welcome, and yeah, just write me or Stibo private message if you want to get the full details of joining this program. And of course, you can also join our Signal group. But me personally, I recommend this more because risk management is done for you, and simply you cannot miss any trades because we are doing it for you. So if you're interested in copy fix, then definitely write me or Stibo a private message. Okay guys, we will see you next time with a new YouTube video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.